It's the 4th-13th Australian Oceania Channel with the latest weather for Tuesday the 5th of July 22. Severe weather continues to impact various parts of New South Wales and is expected to ease during today. The bulk carrier off the Royal National Park saw the tow rope snap overnight, but is safely anchored slightly north, but authorities say that it is at this point in time safe, and the crew also. Bureau Meteorology continues to update the information. There's a gale warning in place. Hunter and Sydney Coast, strong wind warning, Sydney Coast waters, Macquarie Coast, Illawarra and Bateman's Coast. Severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the Hunter and the metropolitan forecast districts. Heavy rainfall and damaging winds supposed to ease during this morning. A trough over the central coast continues to cause moderate to possibly heavy rainfall at times. Rainfall rates are forecast to ease during this morning. Localised moderate to heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding, remains possible over the Hunter district. Isolated 3-hourly rainfall totals between 40 to 65 millimetres possible. Damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour, peak gusts to 90 kilometres an hour possible along the northern metropolitan, the southern Hunter coastal fringe with an easing trend. The damaging winds may lead to debris on roads, providing the risk for trees toppling in softer and very saturated soils. Rainfall will further contribute to flooding already being experienced and maintains the potential for landslides. A severe weather warning for damaging surf also remains current for parts of the central coast. Locations which may be affected: Gosford, Cessnock, Sydney, Dungog, Colnoa and Maitland. Severe weather warning also in place for damaging surf for people in parts of the metropolitan, Illawarra and the Hunter forecast districts. Low over the Tasman Sea extends a trough to the central coast of New South Wales. Very heavy surf may lead to localised damage, coastal erosion along the central coast of New South Wales this morning. Waves will gradually ease during the afternoon. Beaching conditions in these areas could be dangerous and people advised to stay well away. There's also a hazardous surf warning, but the locations that could be affected: Sydney, Wollongong, Bulli, Port Kembla and Kiama, and a wave buoy observation off the Sydney coast reached 5.4 metres significant wave height, and I think there was a report yesterday of 5.6 up. Various flood warnings remain in place and the Bureau will update the flood watch information. Now we'll have a look at the latest GFS model information relating to both pressure and precipitation. The information is at the bottom of the screen. Each of these slides are 3 hourly and it starts from 10 AM and goes through to 2200 hours Wednesday. At the time of doing this update, capital city temperatures: 15.1 in Sydney, 11.1 Melbourne, 11.4 Brisbane, 13.3 over in Perth, 12.1 Adelaide, a cold one for Hobart, 9.6. Canberra a little bit colder at 9.4, and Darwin 18.2. Also keeping an eye on the weather here in Queensland. There's a strong wind warning in place, and here's the latest look at the 850 millibars wind. Further evacuation orders have been issued. Bureau Meteorology's latest rainfall total outlook. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. Bureau Meteorology over the last probably 14 hours has issued 2 initial flood warnings here in Queensland for the Cape and the Fitzroy rivers, the Fitzroy River Basin, the Cape River. Strong wind warning in Cairns case, and the Bureau has cancelled the warning for the Southeast Gulf, Northeast Gulf and the Peninsula case. So the strong wind warning has reduced. Here's a look at the Himalaya 8 satellite imagery, and the cloud blanket has been massive. This was recorded yesterday, and if you want the latest information, please switch across to our live streaming service. Flood warning remains in place, South Australia's inland rivers. Road weather alert, Tasmania, Central North, the Central Plateau, the Midlands, the East and East Coast, the Upper Derwent Valley. Strong wind warning for Wednesday has been indicated by the Bureau for the far northwest, the southwest, the central west coast down there in Tasmania. And the Sea of the Northern Territory's got a strong wind warning. Yes, the Beagle Bay part, the Gove Peninsula and the Rope and Groot coast. Now here's a look at precipitation. Nope, it's the low pressure. Also the GFS model. Followed by the precipitation. We will continue to bring the latest information on the major weather event which continues to impact New South Wales. Also keeping a close eye on the rainfall factor here in Queensland.